Hi everyone, in the previous video we have seen how to convert a grammar to a language. In this video we are converting a language to a grammar. Okay, so this is the reverse of that. So here we will be given a language, we must convert to a grammar. Already we have seen the grammar tuples are four. First one contains variables, second one contains the alphabets or sigma, third is the production, and fourth is the starting symbol. So keep in mind that. Okay, first question is that L be a set of all palindromes over A comma B. So our sigma is what? A comma B. Okay, from this I can get sigma is E comma B. So construct a grammar generating L. So first of all you must think what is a palindrome. Palindrome is like that when you start with A we must end with A. Okay, that is called palindrome. Amma is a palindrome. Okay, reverse from starting from here there will be a point, from that it will be what? Reverse. For M is same and A is same, that is called what? Palindrome. Okay, so this is a palindrome and Malayalam is a palindrome. Okay, Malayalam, from here you look, here Y is an odd one and it's also here it is an even length palindrome, that is an odd length palindrome. What do you mean by odd length palindrome? Inside in the middle symbol will be different. Or look at here, M is same, A is same, L is same, already A is also what? Same. So this is odd length palindrome. So palindrome means first symbol and last symbol will be the same. So also here it is same and here it is what? Reversed. A is reversed, L is reversed, like that. Okay, you have already been know what you mean by palindrome in your C programming language. So to map how to construct a grammar of a palindrome. So look at here, A comes, A must end with A. When start with A, end with A, and start with B, end with B. Okay, so how can you construct? So I will begin with starting symbol. Yes, you can take any start symbol. I am beginning with a start symbol. Yes, so you can take it as A, anything, it's no problem. So I will begin with A, I must end with A. Okay, inside I can repeat yes. Okay, isn't it? Yes can be. Again I can, what will be the indication of this? When you substitute it, yes gives A, yes A. One more time I repeat, A, yes A. Okay, so it is not A alone, it can contain also B. So how will you substitute? B, yes A. So how will it look? A. So I am substituting B, yes, B, A, isn't it? So this is also a palindrome. Look at here, A, B, here B, A, come. Though both are correct. So yes gives A, yes, A, or yes gives B, yes, A. Also, if it is an odd length palindrome, here the symbol will be different. So here S can be A or S can be what? B. So S can be A, or symbol is like this in your grammar. The grammar context or is like this, A or B. A can be come or B can also. In the odd length, in the even length palindrome, it can be, there will be no symbol like this in the middle. So it can be what? Null. So or null. Okay, so we can write it in beautiful way, that is with maximum simplified. A, yes, A, or B, yes, sorry, here not A, this is B, B, yes, B, or A or B or what? Null. Okay, so this is the grammar. Okay, so A, yes, A, B, yes, B, A or B or null. Okay, so this is about the construction of language, from language to grammar. So first you have to check for the what all the alphabets you are using and check for the language and what all combination it come. So use this combination with the same trick that is here. So you will get the corresponding grammar here. So next one, find a grammar. L is equal to what? A raised to n, B raised to n, C raised to I. Okay, so but the problem here is that n must be greater than 1. So n must be greater than 1 means n must occur at least 1. What is n? A, B. A, B must be occurred at least 1 times, but here A, B can be occurred, cannot be occurred, isn't it? So you can put here null, but A, B can't be null here. And also I greater than 0 means C can occur or not. C is 0 or more combination. A, B is 1 or more combination, that is plus here for A and C is for star, isn't it? So how will you design it? This two is same, but this is different. So I will write S gives, I will write introduce another non-terminal A here and also C here. Okay, so I will write S gives A, C. Okay, so A is I have written for what? AB. So AB is occurring like this, A, P. Okay, so I am writing A gives A, B. Whenever A comes, then also B comes, or A, B. Okay, it is occurring at least 1 time, so we cannot put here null, we must put here what? A, B. Okay, isn't it? A, B comes, I must not repeat it from here. S gives what? S gives A, C, isn't it? So A is substituted with A, B, C. Okay, now I have made up to here, I have made it clear, but look at for this C here. C is made for the 0 or more combination, that is 0 or more combination it is okay. So what happens to C here? So C must be erased somewhere because C is 0 or more combination. So how will you can modify? S gives A, this has been correct, but 0 can occur or not, that is also is possible here. So how will you took here? So A or C. C gives what? C or null. Okay, C means C can be occurred any times and it can be what? Null, that is it can occur or not, there is no problem. So this is also correct. Also you can make it AC can be specified at a time. So when you partition it, it is more correct that you must not partition it because A, C, A occurring and C occurring at a time, that is more correct. So I am putting A, C here. For understanding only I put A different, C different, but look at here, A and C is occurring at a time, so A, C here. C can be what? Null, or C can be repeated. This is capital C, this is small c. This means what? Terminal, and this means what? Non-terminal. Okay, so the grammar becomes S gives AC, A gives A, B or AB, and C gives what? C or null. Okay, this is about the grammar. So from language grammar it is a difficult task, but you must understand what is the pattern going. From that pattern you must select what is the starting symbol, and from that you must go with that, and also check whether this language has been getting, so you will can map it in a simple way. So practice, when you practice and practice it, this will be correct for you. Okay, so thank you.